Hi my friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account. Okay. Here, after opening the app, tap on settings icon. From this page, move down and tap on I need help. Here, move down and tap on my account and security. Okay. Here, tap on delete my account. Move down and tap on account portal. Then on this page, enter your password and then tap on continue. Here, after following these steps, your account will be deleted permanently. So, thank you for watching. We meet in the next video.